Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to move a table in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so first of all you will type here docs, then you will open up this first link from here, and then from here go to this docs option and open up this blank page from here. Okay, and basically I will just enter a new table here. So I will go to this insert table and I will select some rows and columns here, and here you can see that we have entered this table. Now to move this table, let's suppose I want this table to appear like here at the end of the page. I will select this whole table, right click and cut, then I will move my cursor in the last, and here I will just paste it. So right click, paste. So now you can see that we have moved our table. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.